He's really good. Getting nothing on him. Just leave it. Just leave it there. Dude, I can't move this guy at all. Fucking business time. Oh, fuck yeah. This is getting bigger, I think. I already know it.
It's gotta be.
Oh. Ooh. Oh. I'm having flashbacks of that one I lost. This is a fucking home.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't even fucking move.
Shit in the boat.
Oh, fuck, this is good.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't activate.
Come on, motherfucker.
Can't move him.
No?
Oh, look at that shit.
Banana rod.
How is that pulling?
Where'd that go we had last time?
Oh,
You got
fucking home.
you got a fucking butt ray or what?
I know exactly what it is. Wait till you see it. Oh, fuck.
Look at that tip, dude. Yeah.
Oh, I can barely move.
Shaw.
Oh, there we go. I can't see it.
Do you want to pull anchor and just follow this fish? I mean, if it's a hog, there's no reason not to.
Reel him in. Reel him in. I can't get shit on him. I get nothing on him.
Where's your line? I can't see it.
Oh. Pull anchor. Let's land this fish. It's going to take a while, dude. Let's pull anchor. Oh, my
Hey, you want to reel mine in?
goodness.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, this is...
Columbia style. Columbia style.
How do you get out fishing?
It's going to be monstrous.
Yeah, because I'm bringing it in.
Oh!
Yeah, can you...
Fuck, look at him. Can't get anything on him.
You want someone to jump in for you?
Oh my goodness. I can't fucking do it.
I'll jump in. You want to get it for a minute?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Are you fucking serious?
That one again, dude. And he's just going to keep flipping you out until it's fucking gone. Let's fucking pull it.
There he is, look. He's a surface. Oh, come on, not. Be good.
Damn.
That's hard.
That's just bending.
Loosen it up, dude. Loosen it up. Loosen it up. Be cool.
Dude.
There he is. He's surfaced again.
Oh, fuck.
I don't know if we're going to be able to get this fish in the boat, though, in this current, can we?
Oh, he's coming in.
Oh, goodness. Switch!
Switch. Brill, get in.
Brill. Fucking don't let go. He's a hog. He's a hog of all hogs, man.
Over for sure, huh?
Dude, feel that power.
I've never felt anything like this before.
Dude, what is it?
What could it be?
Fuck, you can't move it, huh?
He's moving a
Try
little bit.
pump down and reel it fast. All right, that's all you got, see?
Keep the rod high.
Dude, that's an 80-pound brace, so fucking just horse. Dude, yeah! That's right!
Did he come up?
Yep.
Oh, I see him.
God. You don't know how tired you are until you.
Yeah.
It's fucking world record. Jimmy, you might have to tag in.
I'm good for a bit.
Alright. Have fun, dude. Look at Bill fucking as hard as you can, man. You can't even move them. Dude, my forearms are just fucking pumped.
Just burning?
Burning.
Yeah, well, you're drilling in a fucking garage door.
And my back's killing me. I love it.
Oh, he's getting close.
Yeah, he gets the line on him. Attaboy. We'll see. We'll just look at it first. This bro's checking this out. Yeah, you're getting some ground on him. Yeah, let's see it, please. Come on, diamonds. See them diamonds, baby.
Black, dude. God.
We're getting lined on.
Read a bit.
Fuck! What a fucking beast!
Alright, bro, keep the rod way up high and see if you can get him to come up to the surface. He's getting close.
Again, he's tiring out. Attaboy, he's doing good. There you go. Dude, 7-minute battle plus. That drags button down too, I'm telling you. Look at Bro put his back to it. Dude,
Yeah, put your back into it.
I just want to see it. Fuck, that dude just wants to swim wherever he wants.
Alright, keep.
Oh, fuck, he pissed him off.
Oh, shake.
Now he's fighting. Fight now.
Alright, yeah, keep your thumb off the line now when he's close. He's close, he's right here.
Oh, yeah!
What are we going to do with it?
We'll look at it first. Real.
Yeah, you're getting the ground on him now.
Dude, this is
Up.
killer, bro!
Reel down. Up.
When you pump down
down.
slower and reel down. Always keep that tension. See this bitch?
Oh my God.
Dude, tag off the Jimmy if you have to.
You want me to take him for a minute?
No, I'm going back in. I'm giving you 30 seconds, bro. Putting me back
Here he
in.
comes, now he's coming.
Oh, let me see it.
Here he comes, I saw the weight. I'm telling you, it's a big ass.
Oh my God, that ray's huge.
Alright, bring the line over here.
Holy shit. That's like an 80-pound. No, you gotta wait it out. He's gonna run again. Holy fuck! That's the biggest ray I ever seen in my life. Oh! Jimmy,
cool,
you do
though.
better than that. That's cool.
I mean, what were we going to do? I was going to pin him against the boat.
Oh, dude.
Dude, that was the biggest
was big.
motherfucking ray I ever
probably
seen.
like